Welcome to this short tutorial on how to see your teacher's comments in your mail, or my subtitle, How to Open and Use Your Gmail Account. This will make it easier to see your messages from your teacher for Classroom. Let's get started. Why do you want to check your email? Well, your teacher or teachers may be leaving you comments and suggestions. And more importantly, it might be easier for you and your parents to find these in your email rather than always going back and checking your Google Classroom. So let's get started so that you can access your mail and find these messages. But first, we need to stop. Your school email is your school email. It is for school-related work. It is for corresponding with your teacher. It is not for becoming a pen pal with somebody else. Okay, remember the technology agreement that we all signed. Your email is only for school purposes. So now that we understand that, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to sign into your Clever account, and I know you guys can do this. Once you're there, scroll down and look for the Google Drive icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you get to your drive, you know my favorite place. We're going to go to the Waffle House, and then so the Waffle House is right here. Remember, it's right next to the schoolhouse. There's the Waffle House. And we're going to click on Gmail. Now, you might have noticed these circles here. I borrowed somebody's account and I wanted to protect their privacy. So that's why these are circles. You'd probably have your initial here. So Drive, Clever, Drive, Waffle House, Gmail. Now, once you get to Gmail, here's a couple of things. On this side, you'll see your teacher's name. Notice these are all the messages. And here you'll see a little beginning of the message. I've blocked these out again for the privacy of the person whose account I've borrowed. Notice it tells you if it's an assignment, when things have been returned,